Hello XYO network holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about XYO token. What surprise changes occur in XYO. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So now in this video, I'm talking about the right now price of XYO network 0.02951 USD dollar. That is right now price of XYO network. Furthermore, if you study the changes updates on negative 3.47% changes over in the XYO network, the changes update is completely going negative. Other side, if we talk about trading volume, fully diluted market cap, these all update is going negative, guys. I'm very sad to see this negative update, but I also have a good news for all of you. My prediction tell us, guys, my technical analysis tell us that, guys, in the beginning of a new month, in the beginning of October, there is a higher possibility, there is a 80 to 90% chances that XYO network price will highly pump, guys. So that's why I recommend, please hold, never decide to sell, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction, what is your update about XYO network? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.